The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is a gaming laptop designed for those who prioritize raw processing power over aesthetics. Its Intel Core i9 processor provides a base for high-performance tasks, with up to 24 cores and 32 threads. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card offers impressive 8K resolution capabilities and support for ray tracing and AI-enhanced rendering. Memory and storage options include up to 64 GB of DDR4 RAM and 2 TB of PCIe NVMe SSD storage. The laptop's cooling system features dual fans, a heat pipe, and a liquid metal thermal interface material, Thermal Grizzly Max, to help manage heat generated by the processor and GPU. Design-wise, the ROG Strix G16 boasts a sturdy aluminum unibody with a matte finish. However, some users may find the 17.3-inch display to be somewhat lacking in color accuracy, potentially due to limitations in panel technology. In terms of battery life, the laptop's estimated runtime is around 5 hours and 30 minutes on a single charge, which may not meet the demands of extended gaming sessions. The ROG Strix G16 also features customizable RGB lighting, but these can be a bit finicky to set up and calibrate. In summary, this laptop excels at delivering raw processing power and impressive graphics capabilities, but its design choices and battery life leave some areas for improvement.